Hi, this is Jonathan Johnson here again today with Packet Tracer. Today we're going to be doing a video on WAN Encapsulation Mismatches. Our objectives are to configure PPP encapsulation on all serial interfaces and intentionally break and restore PPP encapsulation. Our background preparation is in this activity or video, you will learn how to configure PPP encapsulation on serial links. You will also examine encapsulation mismatches and learn how to correct the issue. For this activity, the password for both user exec and privilege exec mode is Cisco. Step 1 is going to be to configure PPP encapsulation on serial interfaces. So we're going to go into router 1 right here. We go into CLI, log into the router, and we're going to have to go to enable. And we're going to type in show interface. Well, we got to do the there we go. Now we're going to go show interface serial 0 0 /0 /0, hit enter, and now it pulls up the serial 000, everything about it. It's up, it's connected, hardware is HD 64570, internet address 10.1.1.1/30. Encapsulation is the HDLC, loopback is not set. That's all we have here for that. Now we're going to change the encapsulation type on the link between router 1 and router 2. We're going to use the encapsulation PPP command for the serial 0.0.0 interface. We're going to observe the effects. So we're going to go router 1, we're going to go conf T to go into the global configuration mode and go interface serial 0.0.0, enter, and go encapsulation PPP, enter. And now it says the encapsulation protocol serial interface 0.0.0 is changed state to down. Now we have that. Now that it's changed to down. So what happens when one end of the serial link is encapsulated with PPP and the other end of the link is encapsulated with HDLC? Well, when it's 1 and 1, it changes the state of that interface serial to down. It's not up because it no longer has the same connection for that particular connect. And then what would happen if PPP encapsulation was configured on each end of the serial link? Well, if it was configured on each end of the serial link, then it would correctly go through because they both have the same connection type. To see what happens, we're going to configure the encapsulation on the serial 0.0.0 interface of router 2 to PPP. Okay? So we're going to go out of here. We're going to go into router 2, and we're going to go into the CLI. Enter to pull this up. We're going to go log in, Cisco. Alright, so, sorry about that, the computer died. Now where was I? Okay, now that we're going to log into this router here. We're going to go Cisco for the password. We're going to go enable. We're going to have to, because we're going to put PPP on both ends of router 2. Okay. We're going to change the encapsulation from HDLC to PPP on both ends of the serial links between router 2 and router 3. So we're going to go log into the router. Now that we're in here, okay, we're going to pull this up and we're going to go to conf T and we're going to type in interface serial 0.0.0, enter, and we're going to go encapsulation PPP, enter, and we're going to go end. Okay, and we're going to go show IP route. Now it shows an IP route of the serial interfaces. We want to pull up the serial interface. Wait a minute. Alright, so now we got PPP on this router. We're going to go into router 3, CLI, enter, Cisco for the password. enable Cisco to log into the router for configuration mode. You want to go here, we're going to go conf t, enter, we're going to go interface serial 0.0-0-0, enter, encapsulation PPP, enter, end. Now we got that set up on both of them. We're going to exit out of here. Now, to verify that PPP is now encapsulation on the serial interfaces, we're going to issue the show interface command for each serial interface. So we'll go over here, we'll go to router 2, we're going to go show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. Okay, now we have this we're showing it, excuse me, encapsulation PPP. So that one's set up for PPP, that's router 2. Let's go to router 3, we'll go show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. This one is set up for PPP right there. And last but not least, we'll check router 1 real fast. Well, gotta exit out of here. Exit again. Enter. Okay. Show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. And this one's set up for encapsulation and PPP as well. So now that they're all three routers are set up, router 1, 2, and 3 are all set up for encapsulation PPP. Step 2 we're going to do is examine the WAN encapsulation mismatches. So we're going to return both serial interfaces on router 2 to their default HDLC encapsulation. So we're going to go on router 2, we're going to go enter. Okay, we got this open up now. We're going to go conf t. We're going to go type in interface serial 0/0/0, enter, encapsulation HDLC, enter. And now that the line protocol is back down, change state back to down because it's not connected. So we did that one. Now we're going to go router 3 and do the same thing. Okay, go into the conf t. We're going to go interface serial 0/0/0, enter, and we're going to go encapsulation HDLC, enter. Oh, we spelled it wrong. Whoops. Encapsulation HDLC, enter. Okay. Now we have that. They're all set to that. Now we're going to, what happened to the serial interfaces on router 2? Let's go find out. Click on router 2. Show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. Oh, whoop. We got to go into privileged exec mode first. Show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. And there we go. Now encapsulation is changed back to HDLC. And it's disabled too. Serial 0/0/0 is up. Line protocol is down, which means it's disabled. Now we're going to return both serial interfaces on router 2 to PP encapsulation. So we're going to go turn it back. Router 2, conf t, enter. interface serial 0/0/0, enter, encapsulation PPP, enter. Okay, now it's back, changed back to up, so we got that one. Okay, now I'm going to go to router 3. We're going to go interface serial, interface serial 0/0/0, enter, encapsulation will be PPP, enter, exit. Okay, now we're going to go exit again, enter, show interface serial 0/0/0, enter. Notice this one's changed back to PPPP and it's set to up and it's connected. And line protocol is down, disabled still. And that's that. And that's all I have for today for this packet tracer video for WAN encapsulation mismatches. Basically, this video was just talking about connections between a router and making sure that if they have a different connection on each end of each other, the connection will not go through, because this one will be reading a different type of connection than this one will be. So make sure when you connect routers and switches and PCs that you have the same connections for things that need to have the right connections, not different. You can't have like HDLC on this router and then PPP on this router. The encapsulation will mismatch and it won't go through, and they'll change the interface's states from up to down. And that's all I have for today. Thank you.